Hey there, my name's Lee and I'm the founder of listingtofreedom.com. I sell used clothes on eBay for a living, and I recently came across a whole lot of clothes that had an incredible cigarette smell, like terrible, the worst I have ever smelled. It smelled like a dirty ashtray. So I got these clothes. I figured, if I could salvage them, that would be great. I obviously don't want to be sending out clothes that have cigarette smell or any lingering cigarette smell in them. So what I did, I was able to get the smoke out, every last scent of that smoke, and I'm going to show you what I used. So first, what I did was I left the items outside overnight. I did not want these items in my house. They were that terrible, like terrible. So they sat outside overnight. They aired out. It helped a wee little bit, hardly at all. They still smelled terrible. So then I started bringing a few items at a time in to launder them. Another reseller told me about this product that is called Funkaway. It is a laundry booster. I got it at Walmart. It's also available on Amazon. So what you do with this is you add this to your regular detergent and wash your clothes just like normal. Now it says on the bottle here, for extra stinky loads, you're gonna use 2 capfuls. So this was like super, super extra stinky in this case. And so I use those 2 capfuls and then my regular laundry detergent, and I just use all from Costco, and ran the load. It smelled a lot better, but there was still just a little bit of lingering smell. So I figured I would try this again. It does have a money back guarantee on it. It cost me about $8. So I figured, hey, maybe I can get my money back if it doesn't work. But I did run the load a second time. I used 2 capfuls of this once again. I used a regular amount of my regular laundry detergent. And then I added to that second wash that worked about 2 cups of plain white vinegar. Yes, I buy this in gallon sizes. I love white vinegar. And then I added 10 drops of tea tree oil. This is an essential oil. You can get it at any drugstore, Amazon as well. So I'm gonna leave the links for all of these. I ran that load and the smell came out of the entire load. I have one of the items sitting right here. I'm so excited that this worked, and I hope that this works for you. Again, this is Funkaway, and I'm going to leave the link. They have tons of different products. I checked Amazon out today. They have shoe sprays. They have all kinds of different things that I am going to get and try because I love this. It worked, and it's amazing, and it saved all of the clothes. I probably got like over a whole box of clothes that is saved because of this. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.